morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. I hope you're doing well. And right before your 4-day weekend for the holiday, tomorrow was our day we're supposed to have off, and Monday is a day for the teachers to work. So I hope you enjoy your 4-day weekend, but work really hard today and try to get some of your stuff done. I wanted to show you, I got some ears on today for the holiday. And here is BB Storms. He was helping us out decorating these eggs, coloring on them. And we did several of them. Our family's going to pass out with meals tomorrow with people who have a hard time getting out. And our community's been doing meals on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And also here we're gonna work on coloring eggs. Anyone else out there like to color eggs over the holiday? So that's what we will be doing. I know some of you have been doing some outreach to help out in our communities. I know Remy made some masks for the local hospitals. I don't know if anyone else has done anything like that. If you have, share. I'd love to hear what you guys have been doing over the last few weeks. So I want to give a shout out to Sam for being the Bureau Valley Bee for the month of March. Great job, Sam. Keep up the good work. For reading today, you have been working on the skills of using context clues to figure out meanings of words. So you're going to be applying that today to a science article about bivalves and different things with science that we haven't read about yet. So I hope you found the article really easy. It's a short article to read, and then some questions to answer about the words and their meaning. Remember, when we do that, we like to find that text support. So there's going to be some questions that are asking you to do for the text support. Look back in the text. You can highlight if you'd like to in the text to find those answers. For math today, it's going to be straightforward borrowing, but I wanted to refresh that with you a little bit. Remember, the phrase that we like to use is bottom number is bigger, so borrow. So bottom, bigger, borrow. So when you're looking at the numbers and you're trying to decide whether you need to borrow or not, if the bottom number is bigger than the top number, you need to borrow because there isn't enough. I always like to talk about cookies in class. I always try to switch it over to food with you. So if I have 4 cookies, you can't take 7 cookies away from me. So remember, we have to borrow from another package. So you have to borrow from the next place to make sure that you have enough and you can complete the math problem. So I'm going to model that for you today. The first column is 3 minus 1, which we can go ahead and do. So 3 minus 1 is 2. The next column I've already talked about, 4 minus 7. You can't do that, so you need to borrow from the neighbor. Remember, every place is 10 more than the next. So if we take 1 away from here, we're technically moving 10 over to this place. So instead of this being 4 now, this is going to become 14. Now you can subtract. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now we're on to the hundreds place. 1 minus 3, can't do. You can't take 3 cookies away from me if I only have 1. So we're going to go to the next place over. We're going to borrow from the thousands place. And if we take 1,000 over here, it's taking 10 over to the next place because it's 10 more. So we're going to make that now 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8. Then we're moving to the thousands place. 3 minus 9. Can't do it, so I gotta borrow again. So I'm gonna borrow from the 10,000s place. Bring that 10 over. That becomes 13. So now I have 13 minus 9, which is 4. Excuse all the noises this morning. The little one's eating, and my son's eating his breakfast. And then 6 minus 3 we can do, and that is 3. So my answer is 34,872. Hope that was a good refresher for you as you work on your math today. Like I said, just keep going, keep trying, doing what you can do, guys. Don't stress about your work. If you have any questions, I've been getting emails about it. That is fine. Feel free to send me an email. I'd be more than happy to help you out. So try to get done what you can, then you can relax over this weekend and enjoy your weekend. Happy Easter to you, and I hope you guys can join in on the Zoom meeting today. Remember, Mr. Davini and I have set up a Zoom meeting for us to get a chance to see each other We emailed out the information to you. I'll send a reminder again today at noon. We're gonna have just a little, have a little lunch chat with each other, just checking in, see how you're doing, how work's going, anything we can do to help you guys out. So I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.